Okay, greetings and welcome to this new video on how to rebuild a current site that is using WP-LocalBiz. How to rebuild it using the new LocalBiz version 2.0 theme. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, what I'm going to do is take this site here, which is a demo niche site for an electrician company, and we're going to rebuild it using the new theme. So at the moment we've got the previous theme, or the not 1.6.3, 1.6.1, that's fine, and it shows in the themes folder here. We've already uploaded the new WP-LocalBiz version 2 theme. If you don't know how to do that, you need to go and watch the first video that tells you explicitly how to go about doing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to install or activate the new theme, the 2.0 theme, and I highly recommend that when you're going through this exercise, do not delete the old theme or your current theme which is producing this site here, because you may need to fall back on it. You might get halfway through the rebuild or the reconstitution of the data and get distracted or find that you've got to stop for some reason, in which case you can just reinstall or reactivate the old theme and everything will be exactly the way it was when you left off. Okay, so we've got the new theme, and let's just load up to a new tab here, and you can see what it looks like with the new 2.0. Now, it looks nothing like, we've just pretty much got a snow screen with all of these pages from the upper and lower menus just running horizontally from the left to right there. And it looks nothing like what the existing page did, and the reason for that is we need to change a few things. These widgets that appear in the header, in fact they're defaulted in the new theme to do that, and we're going to rectify that in an update over the next few days. But for the time being, what you're going to see is this. So how to fix that is pretty simple. The first thing that we're going to do is go into widgets, okay, because the widgets are controlling what's happening there in the header. We've created a new header widget area which wasn't existing in the previous themes, but for some reason we've got the widgets that should be in the primary widget area defaulted in there, so we'll rectify that with an update. But for the time being, just take them out of there. Okay, they're taken out. You don't need to save anything, that's automatically done. If we go back to the new theme, we refresh, you will see that what that's done is remove those widgets from there. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to specify a color style. So let's just go back to, you'll notice here on the left here now we've got WP-LocalBiz under Appearance version 2.0, and that's the control panel that has everything in it. There's no plugins to have to fiddle around with. And we're going to go to featured, no, we're not going to do that. What did we say we're going to do? We're going to choose the theme, which I think that is Corporate Blue 2. So let's just go to Corp Blue 2 and click on that. We won't have formatted everything else, but I'm just going to, you don't even have to save. Once you've clicked on that and it's blinked at you to tell you that it's been done, that's done. And if we refresh the page, you'll see that now the color style has taken, and yep, there it is. And because we removed those widgets before, and away we go. And now we just need to rectify the menus here. So let's just go to menus. We'll go to menus, and in menus, what you'll see has happened is all of the pages are still there, the top menu, the bottom menu, but the theme locations, okay, have not been carried over because we've installed a new theme. So we want to assign the top as the main navigation, the bottom as the bottom. Just click Save. Okay, so that's saved. Has it saved? Okay, it should have saved. I think it has. Let's go back and refresh the page, and we should see the menu buttons turn up now. And there they are: Home, About Us, Articles. And the bottom menu pages have turned up where they're meant to turn up. So we're getting a little bit closer. Okay, so now we need to fill in some of this other data here, and the best way of doing that, I think, is to do this. Firstly, we'll go back to WP-LocalBiz version 2, and we're going to go back to the sidebar here. Now you'll recall that the original one had the red call to action arrow. We've got blue in there now. It doesn't really matter whether you keep it red or blue, but you have got an option. So let's just, for the purposes of congruency, stick with the red one. And the arrow text at the top says what? Best local service. We can go with that, or we can go with something else. Let's say we are local experts in your area. I've got all of those in my menu because they're defaulted into cache. You won't have any in yours until you create a few. Okay, impact, we're going with extra large. That's fine. The top line of text said what? It says let us help you. That's already defaulted in here. So let us help you, that's fine. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Okay, so with the mid-section text area and the bottom line of text, the bottom line is easy to do. It's just a phone number, I'm pretty sure is. What do we got here? Yeah, that's the bottom line of text there, the 1-800. So let's just whack that in. That's easy to do manually. Okay, 1-800. 5551234. Okay, and I'm going to save that. Okay, I'm just going to save that, and you can see it taking shape as we go. So this is the site that we're working on here, and we just refresh the page here, and there we go. It's taking shape. We've got with it local experts in your area, and that's the good thing about not having to use the graphic text files. You can actually type in whatever you like. You can choose whatever font, and we've got 3 sizes there for you to choose from. Let us help you. And the phone number's flashing. It's flashing a different number because of the style, but you can change that if you want to, and we'll get into that a little bit later on. But what's missing is the form here, and this link here to your form. Okay, so that's missing. We need to replace that, and the best way of doing that, okay, because that information is what is determined in here, midsection text, and also in the option, the opt-in form, the HTML code for the opt-in box. And I'll tell you the best way of doing that. Okay, so we haven't uninstalled the previous theme or plugins, and the plugin, you'll recall, that controls all of that is WP-LocalBiz. I'm going to open that in a new tab so that I can retain this one here. I'm just going to copy and paste that across. Okay, so I want to go to middle section. I want to take everything from the midsection area. I want to select all, and I want to copy it to pasteboard. I'm going to go back to the control panel. There's my midsection text area there. I'm going to paste that back across, and then same thing again for the HTML code. Well, we're using shortcode here. That's fine. Okay, we're just going to copy that, and we're going to go back down here. We're going to whack that in. Away we go, and let's just save and go back to our working site here when that's rendered or settled, which should be now. Refresh the page, and there we go. Okay, so a couple of things that are different is this text, the color of the text needs to be changed, and perhaps the size and color of the phone number needs to be changed, but you can see it's all taking shape. It's all in there. Now if we click on that link, okay, let's just see if the form's working. It is. There's the pop-out form, and also if you have that anywhere else it will still work, but that shows you that that's working. Incidentally, with that I can see that we've got probably about 600 pixels wide. It should be 300 wide. That'll be a styling thing that we need to fix up. In the next couple of days we'll do that and post an update to the theme. But in the meantime, any of you that are tech savvy and that can change your own size of that styling, fine. If not, you can submit a ticket, or you can just wait for the update. But it works. That's the main thing. Just noticed that the sizing on that's not perfect. Okay, so we're taking shape. We've got this right hand column here taking shape, and all our pages work. Let's just check. We've got About Us. If we click on that, yep, that's all fine, exactly the way it should be. Okay, you notice the arrow has disappeared there. We've got articles, so the article page. So all the data that was existent in the previous